What's happening, guys? How's it going? We're just stalking through these forests looking for a way into this diggers, but there's security now or something. I know, yeah. I can hear something on. Better security, guys. I can hear a generator. That yellow thing. Oh, it's there. Got a sensor, man. Oh yeah, there's someone here. Look. Cabins. Fuck me. Can't get through here. Definitely can't get through this part. Shit. Got a drop to deal with. Fucking hell. It's a spiky bush as well, that. It's a spiky one. Bushes, man. Ah, you bastard. Ah, you bastard. Ah. Getting nettled and everything. Oh, that's a twister. Have you? Way. One step closer. Now we've got to get up here. It's a slightly one. Scaling rocks, man. Oh yeah. Oh. It's a mission now. Oh yeah. Got to go for a walk then. Up the hill. It all comes with exploring this, guys. Oh, it's soaking wet round here. I don't know about that. There we go. Didn't even know this bit was here. Oh yeah, I know where this is now. Sweat on. Proper sweat on. Good old quarry. Miss this place, man. See if we can dodge that camera. Fuck you, camera. Happy days. It's gonna be a fucking cliff edge, isn't it? Sorry guys, swearing. Oh yeah, it has a cliff edge as well. Bloody hell. Blow up the cliff. Oh no, I think I'll pass. Definitely. Something in the shoe. Sheer drop that is. Go down this one instead. That other one's a sheer drop. Shot though, isn't it? Yeah, that is as well. Fuck that. Looks like we are going to camera then. It's giving me another sheer drop. And this one. Oh shit. Sheer drop. Oh, it's not that bad actually. That is a shot.
And that's a drop. Actually, that's not that big of a drop. Oh, slide down on it.
Recording. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Hats off, man. So that's where the sensor is down there. Just try not to fall and break the camera this time though, because that was a bad time that. Like so. You're right, yeah. It's a slippy one. Be able to see something in a minute, you know. Hey. Finally, man. We're back. Hello, baby. Good old crusher. Happy days. I actually miss this place, man. Keys away, me pocket down. We're back. We're back. Hello, mate. We're back. Happy days, man. Happy days, man.
This one is a FIFA drink.
Oh, the beast. There's still a swimming pool then. Way. Love it. Oh wow, good old spindle, man. that's heavy. What's in there, guys? Not a lot. Whoops. Whoops. Have a look around a minute up there. The beast. The old Wayne Bridge. Smart beast here. Absolutely love this. It's a slippy one again. Whoa. Hello baby, nice to see you again. Oh my god, this is sexual this, every time man. This is not how to get in a digger. Someone smashed the glass recently. That's not good. Got thorns in my trainers. Wing mirror. Wing mirror. Wait. I've missed it. This one's got a fag there. Let's try in. How many miles it's done? I bet it's gonna tell you. Door's locked. Sweat on man. He's here. Hello mate. It's all them hydraulics, man. Wow. No, that's what you call hydraulics.
This is what you want in a car.
Oh, there you are. In a car, it'd be bouncing up and down the road. Let's turn it around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did as well. I think so, yeah. Oh. Sick. Proper sick. Sad that someone's coming. Even the pedals have still got hydraulic in. What's this? Do not service. Do not service. It's amazing. Still greased up. Very nice. Definitely knackered. D-Mag. Good old D-Mag. I love it. If I had the money, I'd come get this out of here, I would. I ain't even joking either. This would be sat in my back garden. Look. One of them guys. It would be sat in my garden, mate, if I had that money. It's a piece on its own. I love it, man. I want it. Who's got a low loader you can lend us for a day? This would be my new barbecue. Imagine this as your barbecue. Like, yeah, the new barbecue, guys. Get a spit roast on that. Get the old cow on that. Don't need sugar. I know, like that one, what you're in. Get a monster in that one. Look at that, guys. That's how you know it's a big one. Look like a little midget. It says a beast, man. Front loader. It's been chopped as well. That's sad. Crazy, man, crazy. I know, yeah, where's Kate? That mission up there. This tyre thing. Wow.
That's a big tyre.
That would be good for a fire. Forklift. He's the money box, look. Still here after all that time. Fucking hell. So no one's had this off yet. Look, someone's tried breaking here, so they've greased it. Shit, man.
Someone's tried doing it.
No, it's grease on us.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, try the door.
And they just tried the door. Got no handle on. Look around this side, see if there's no window to it.
Wonder if we can get it from underneath.
Oh yeah, there you go, but someone's blocked it. It's open as well.
What's in there?
I don't know. Can't see.
You have a camera.
Can't see in there at all. Sweat on, man. Let's have another look in this shed. The beast. It's been here a while, the trees grow through it. Grown. The wrecking ball's around here somewhere, isn't it? How is it? You don't want to see that today. Bad times. And I wonder if that thing's still in here. Oh, the caravan's even worse. What's up with the crazy guys? The caravan. It's the end of that caravan. Oh, there's an engine gone out of here.
Yeah, and that thing's gone, the saw's gone.
The saw?
Two saws, one to that
Oh,
side.
yeah.
I don't know, was there?
Yeah, there was.
Yeah, there's a massive big one, and a tiny saw, there's only a little one left.
I can't remember now. Yeah, an engine's gone, definitely. Looks like a recent gone as well.
It's like an annual stock take.
Not removing that, mate. I know that engine. Crazy, I wonder if it's the owner or something, because if it was me I'd have took the lot. Got flipper flappers. Wonder what these are for.
That's why you're sharp, aren't we? I know they're
They're metal, aren't they? And then some of them are not. Like them are hard, sharp hard. Oh no. Or are they signs?
I think the signs.
I don't know actually. Let me know in the comments if you know what these are for.
Oh, that's cool.
Bit weird that.
It's like,
I know, yeah. See if we can get that one go. Oh yeah. We've got a fan on. That's mad, that was. Looks like a... Let's leave them alone now. Too much fun with that.
Mad rally, mate.
I know,
Come on, you.
yeah. Looked in you last time, didn't we? And there's a porta potty around this corner. Porta potty, man. Porta. For asbestos. I'm gonna get this breath out for you guys, I'll be back. The bath. Just want to bath. Oh, I want one of these buckets for my remote control digger. Yeah,
big one like that.
yeah, take it home. For levelling there.
What did you use remote control digger?
I know I should have brought it here, shouldn't
No, not your remote control. You can just control them with the remote inside with the controls in them.
I? Isn't it? It's actually weird. So Wendy. What's this here? A washing machine. It's a bloody washer. No, I don't know. Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah. It is. It's a washer. A washer. Crazy ones. I wish I brought me a little remote control digger with me now, guys. Perfect spot. This would have been. Crazy, man. Sure this was standing up last time I came. Ah, there's a screen as well down here. Pretty decent one. slate quarry, this. Where's it gone? Oh, I can't see it because of trees, man. It's a screen. It's a red and orange screen. Hello, mate. The screen. Hello, screen. The screen. Get some the slate and give it that guy. Graffiti on it. Oh, the nice and that.
You into that?
Yeah. The screen. That's what it's called. That's what someone told me anyway. It's called a screen.
People out.
I know I can hear people as well. Oh. Yeah, actually, let's get a shot of that on camera. Put shake on, guys. There you go, guys. You'll see that at the end of the video. The screen.
Oh, knees. Oh. The old knees.
The old man knees.
Can you hear him? Granddad knees.
Grandad. Come on, Matt.
Anything over that side?
I'll come in, we're going up there.
Anything over that side?
Like glittery bits on this.
Dead.
Isn't it?
80%. Yeah, they're weird rock. This is fucking mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a big slab.
Look at this crusher here. Before we go then, guys. I think. Oh, this is a foot sticker in the mudder. A foot sticker in the mudder. Mudder. I don't know where they've gone. I'd buy this as well if I had the money. Definitely. Been here a while, this has. It has. It used to have a proper cover on it. Like back in the day. Before. Oh yeah, it still has a bit. Still has a bit. Nice seat on it. Not that smashed. It's a crazy one, this. The grab a bucket on. There's another quarry around the corner as well with the same machine in. But it's sunk in the ground. Batteries. Put a battery on it. And it'd be happy days. I reckon this would go, I do. Definitely. Looking out the way down that is on its own. That's it then, guys. Don't know where everyone is. Go stand on the hill, see if I can see them. bet they've gone to the beast down there. The beast. I don't know where everyone is. Wonder where the plunger is. Someone said there was a plunger here once. You know what they plunge? They sat the thingy off. Anyway, the one snapped off, so they just. No, mate. Not here, mate. Can't hear him either. There's someone up there. Imagine if someone come, I'd be hiding here. Straight up. I found some. The screen. Oh, nearly. Oh wow. Shout screen, screen. Looks like something's fell down here, doesn't it? Recently. From up there. I know, yeah. Valley. Go to Valley. To Valley. Yeah. I know you won't think it's that high up, would you? Ah, the screen. Mad. This separates the stuff or something.
Oh yeah, shake it.
Yeah.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, rock and roll.
Yeah, that's it. On. That's over here. Whoa. Oh, nothing. No idea. The Super Shaker 5000. Be nice to know how it actually worked and what it all did, and I can imagine that's an exhaust. I know, yeah. Hello! Is that Claire? It's a slide. I know. Shall we have a go at the slide? Guy's fucking arm amputated. It says around there, guys, something about if your arm gets cut in, if your arm gets trapped in there, you get an amputation. Proper good. Oh yeah, here we go, look. Your arm could be pulled in and amputated. No way. That would be horrible, huh? Mad. It's like a tractor tyre turned inside out. Somewhat. Oh. Scale it. Looks, man. Springs on it and that. The Explore dog. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Fosses, yeah. Fosses, yeah, fosses. Good.
After exploring, Nova way. Biff on.
Biff on,
Chill.
beer on, and Jeff and Chip and chill. That's a wound to that, guys. He's just fell over, on he?
Again.
Again.
Third time today.
Yeah, got to watch his video for that one.
Bloopers.
Bloopers are falling over. At least I aren't the one falling this time. Thank God I on a falling. Oh, there's the horrid thing there. The wrecking ball.
Yeah, I showed him that.
I won't even go near that, mate. I know, man. Hey? There's a what? Oh. Hello, mate. That's it then, guys. You can get the flock out of here now. So hope you like the return visit from 2-3 years, and no doubt I'll see this place again, guys, sometime soon again. So yeah, defo smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Shit. The sensors, guys, is there.
See where the cameras are.
The camera's right there, mate. Right on this edge here. Look, I can see it there, mate.
Yeah.
I can see it there.
There's no way, is it?
You're gonna have to go up and around, aren't we? Yeah.
Go round.
Go up and in them trees there. You know where the yellow tree?
Can I just send it?
Yeah, just full send.
Or just go around the long way.
You reckon?
Let's go for all that though, isn't it?
It's quicker though, isn't it? Than
You see?
I say just full send it. I don't know where you're going to go. There's nowhere to go. Open them trees and we'll go round the gate.
yeah, unless we just go.
Send it. No one.
Maggie, come here.
Do you reckon it'll be one of them like warning you have been watched?
Yeah.
This is going to go to. It's got one of them echo.
Police priority response.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, we're not trying that then.
Police priority response. Shall we do then? Just full send, or
I think we go now.
can we just full send up there as quick as we can?
I'm with Kate now. Walk through that bit there.
Through that bit there where that board is, go up there.